guys, welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Today, I just wanted to share to you how I prepared my own simple version of stir-fried vegetables, or let's say in our simple language, we call it pinakbet. Yes, I called it simple because my ingredients here are not complete, but I have my own way of cooking it in my simple and easy recipe. Yeah, of course, I have here some are using uh, fish or pork, but me for today I just wanted to use a sliced chicken breast. Yeah, and of course I have here the pumpkin, or in our country we used squash, or but here we don't have that, but it's a family of pumpkin. And of course I remember my mom used uh to add sweet potato. Yeah, or in our language we call it kamote, but here in Europe they have a different kind of sweet potato. Yeah, so of course I have here the sliced onion already, and a garlic, and of course a spring onion. And for my seasons, I have here the fish sauce, and then the black pepper, the salt, and I have here the tomatoes as well, and the eggplant. Okay, so I just going to slice this all the ingredients, and please stay tuned and I will show you how I made my simple one version of stir-fried vegetables, or let's say pinakbet in our language. Okay, so thank you for watching and please stay tuned, guys. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Today I will show you how I prepared my simple own version of stir-fried vegetables, or let's say pinakbet in our country. So I heat already the first thing is we need to reheat the oil to the pan. Yeah, and if it's okay already, of course first thing I'm sauteing is that the onion. Yeah, yeah, saute it until it's like light brown. Okay, okay, welcome back. Okay, our onion is getting okay, and next is that the garlic, of course. And I am already putting or adding the ginger. I'm putting also ginger because here we are using the chicken breast, so it's nice that, or it is important that I am always putting a ginger. Okay, it's getting, smells good. And after they are okay, I am already adding this chicken breast sliced. Okay, Just saute them evenly. And then I'm already adding the fish sauce. The black pepper. And salt. And stir it. This is just easy and simple to prepare. So I love cooking these vegetables. Though it's the real pinakbet, it's it's with ingredients such as bitter gourd, or in our language we call it ampalaya, and lady fingers as well, or okra in our language. But I have here 5 ingredients of that, and I can make already my simple version of pinakbet. Yeah, so if it's sauteed already, I need to cook it like 5 minutes, and after that I will add all the vegetables for this pinakbet. Okay, please stay tuned, guys. So guys, welcome back once again. Let's check. Okay, so I think it's getting okay, because as you know guys, chicken breast is easy to cook because compared to pork, because chicken is more what is it, let's say soft, or as far as I know, chicken meat is really easy to cook compared to pork meat. It takes time, yeah. So there you go. Now it's time for me to add all the ingredients. Yeah, just mix or just add them all. I have here the pumpkin, and I have here the sweet potato as well. And of course the eggplant. Yeah. And I like putting lots of tomatoes in the pinakbet, yeah. As we all know, tomatoes are very healthy. And I have here added, which is I forgot in the ingredients there, I have here the green beans. Yes. Okay. So, and you know guys, I have here as well a sauteed shrimp paste. So I am putting it like a teaspoon of it, yes. Or half, something like that, yeah. And I will just add water. Just half, or let's say 3/4 of water, I mean. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. It's time for them to simmer it and let it tender like 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah. So let's cover and we'll see. Yeah, please stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome back once again. So this is how it looks like, my simple own version of the stir-fried vegetables, or let's say pinakbet in our own language in Philippines. Okay, yeah, so there you go. This is very healthy, simple, and easy to prepare kind of veggies, which is stir-fried, or which is famous in our country. Yeah, the so-called pinakbet. Okay, so there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed my video once again when it comes to my simple and easy recipe, and of course healthy as well. Yeah, so once again, if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and share as well, and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come. Okay, so at the top I garnish it with fresh coriander, yeah, the leaves. Yeah, okay. So once again, guys, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed my uh, simple and easy recipe once again for today. And it's time for me now to say bye for now.